Ever wondered how a CPU is made? It all starts with quartz rock. It's crushed, ground, and purified in high-temperature furnaces into 99.99% pure single-crystal silicon. The silicon is sliced into 300mm wafers, only 0.75 millimeters thick, marked with a serial number, and given a notch so machines know its orientation. From here, the process takes about 3 months, involving over 5,000 steps and hundreds of machines. Not every chip is perfect. Defects happen. Each chip is tested, defects are marked, and chips are sorted. Fewer defects mean higher performance. That's how Intel separates i9, i7, i5, and i3 processors. A CPU is like a skyscraper of circuits, billions of transistors stacked over 100 layers, all perfectly connected. At 5 nanometers, a transistor measures just 36 by 6 by 52 nanometers, with only 57 nanometers between neighbors, smaller than a mitochondrion, a dust particle, or even a human hair. Layers of metal and insulators connect everything through tiny vertical vias, building the CPU one layer at a time. And that's how the brain of your computer is born.